Good morning, parents and my dear children. Today I am going to teach a new lesson for class 5 children of moral education, or you can say value education. So, children, I will teach you lesson 2, be satisfied. Now I will start the story. There was a man named Vinny. He had a complaint about his house, that he was having a big family with a wife and 6 children, but he had a one roomed house which was too small for his big family's comfortable. So he thought that what to do with this problem, because every now and then his wife also complained about uh, insufficient place in the room. She used to say to Winnie that after the whole day household work, whenever she thinks of taking rest, she hardly find any corner of his house to to sleep. So Winnie thought of taking advice of a priest in his village only. He went to that priest. The priest name was Ravi. He was very wise man. When Veni told the whole story about his house, the priest all of a sudden asked Veni whether he is having any animals at home. Veni told yes, he is having a cow, a calf, a donkey, and some chickens. Then the priest advised him to bring all the animals who were staying outside his house in a shed into inside his house. Then, by hearing this, Veni was totally shocked, but with due respect to the priest, he went back to home and brought all the animals from the shed inside the house. But they had a very bad experience that evening, because the animals were all over the house, but the whole family along with Vinny were squeezed in a corner of the house. Next morning he went back to the priest. He told the priest what they had last evening. Then the priest told him, okay, you go back today and take out all the chickens from the house and keep it back to the shed. He went back home and did that. But the cow and the calf were munching all the haze grasses whole day, and the haze used to stick to the hair and eyes of the children, which was also made them discomfort. Then when he next day went back to the priest and told him that this is not working, how he can overcome this problem. The priest told that today you go and take out the cow and the calf out of your house and keep it back to the shed. And that day also he went back home and did what the priest advised him. But the donkey which was inside the house chewed the books of his children. Now it was difficult for the children to read. When he went back to home and told the priest that how she can how he can actually help him regarding this problem. Then the priest told him, please take the donkey out of the house. And he did that, and anyhow he adjusted. The time passed away. After some time, the priest met Veni in a market. That priest asked him, How are you, Veni? Then Veni told him that after sending all the animals back to their shed, now their family and he himself is feeling very comfortable in his house. Now he finds his house to be big enough for his family. So children, this is the story, and the moral which we get from this story is that we should be satisfied with what we have or what we are. So always be satisfied, don't feel discomfort, or always think that whatever God has given, it is enough for me. Then only you can enjoy the life. Thank you children for listening this story. Now children, I will start the story as I told you. Now I will read line by line of this story. This is lesson 2, be satisfied. Veni was always complaining he had a big family, a wife and 6 growing children. They had just one room to live in. There is so little space in this house. Veni grumbled. Grumbled, you can see here, to complain. He had always complained about his house. I find it difficult to do any household work. I am always tired, as there is no corner where I can rest, said his wife. One day, Veni decided to talk to his Ravi priest about it. He thought that the wise Ravi would know what to do. When he went to Ravi and told him his problem, I live in a one-room house, he explained. We all eat, sleep, live, play, study and work there. We often step on each other's toe, and that makes us fight. Do you have any animal? Asked the Ravi. Veni was puzzled. Puzzled meaning you can see here, confused. Veni got confused, but he replied, yes, I have a cow, a calf, a donkey and some chickens. They live in a shed outside. The Ravi said, take the animals inside your house. Veni was stunned meaning surprised, but he did as he was told. His one-room house became the next morning, Veni went back to Ravi. It is terrible, Ravi, he cried. The animals are all over the house and we are squeezed into a corner, and the smell. What can we do? He asked. The Ravi smiled calmly. Take the chicken out, he said. When he went back only to return the next day, the chicken are gone. But hey, he cried, the animals are chomping and stamping the hay into everyone's eyes and hair. Chomping, you can see chomping, chew noisily, stamping, to walk with loud heavy step, making sound while walking. Generally animals do. Said the Ravi calmly, take the cow and the calf out. When he rushed back to do this, but was back the next day, the donkey has chewed up my children's books, he exclaimed. The good Ravi said, send the donkey out too. So the poor man took the donkey outside. All the animals were now back in the shed. Sometimes later, when he met the Ravi in the market, how are you, my good man? Asked the Ravi. Wonderful, very happy, said Veni. Wonderful means fantastic. Now he is very fantastic condition with the animals back in their shed. Means after sending the animals back to the shed, now he is feeling very fantastic. The house is big enough for us to be comfortable. Now he finds that same house which he had very less space to live, he used to explain before. Now he is finding very spacious enough to live his whole family members comfortably. Children, you have seen, I have explained the lesson line by line, and I have told you the story as well. Please go through it and get it fully clear. Thank you, children.